Welcome to Missouri Rust. We're featuring a 56 Pontiac. It will turn over a little bit, but just needs a little more spark. Now we're looking into the back end here. It's mostly solid. It is pretty solid. And we go in here. It does need a clean up. Back seats kind of get chewed out of here from being in the yard. And we go in here. It's pretty nice. It has a really nice dashboard. There's a little sparky we need to get done. Get it cleaned up. Clean out the flooring, get new carpets, new seats. Kind of making it look nice. This will be our first project car on this channel. Needs a new ceiling liner. Okay, let's go into the engine. This Pontiac still has the original engine. It works pretty good. It's really nice too. It does work. It just needs actually power, you could say. It's pretty nice. It does move. It's really nice. The tires aren't locked up for being out there that long. It's been sitting for 20 years. So, to see the full restoration on this car, go to Missouri Rust. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell and like so you do not miss the video when we post it.